Lycopodium reproduction. The Lycopodium belongs to Pteridophyta. It involved in three types of reproductions. One is vegetative reproduction. Second one is sexual reproduction. Third one is asexual reproduction. From these three types of reproductions, vegetative and asexual reproductions occurs on the sporophytic plant of Lycopodium. Sexual reproduction occurs on the gametophyte of Lycopodium. Generally, the vegetative reproduction done by fragmentation of rhizome. Rhizome is a long length. It is creeping on the soil surface. If any physical or mechanical pressure, the rhizome cut into fragments. Each fragment develop into independent Lycopodium sporophyte. This type of vegetative reproduction done in the Lycopodium sporophyte. And sexual reproduction occurs on the gametophytic of Lycopodium. And asexual reproduction occurs on the sporophytic of Lycopodium. Now we'll discuss about Lycopodium asexual reproduction. Lycopodium asexual reproduction occurs on the sporophytic plant of Lycopodium. See, Lycopodium asexual reproduction done by strobili or cones. On the terminal part of each branch of sporophyte, cone-shaped structures are present. They are called strobilus or cones. Cone or strobilus contains central axis called cone axis or strobilus axis. Around the cone axis or strobilus axis, leaf-like structures are present in the spiral manner. The leaf-like structures are called sporophylls. The sporophylls shows dorsal region and ventral region. The dorsal region of sporophyll, egg or ball-like structure is present, called sporangium. The sporangium produced spores. If we identified matured sporangium LS, it shows mainly epidermis of sporangium, jacket layer or epidermis of sporangium. Beneath of these jacket layer, tapetum layer is present. The jacket layer or epidermis mainly helps in protection of sporangium and it gives proper shape to sporangium. Beneath of the jacket layer or epidermis of sporangium, tapetum cells are present. The tapetum cells are mainly filled with nutrients. The nutrients are supplies to spore mother cells. Beneath of the tapetum, many diploid spore mother cells are present. The many diploid spore mother cells received food materials, nutrients from the tapetum. And all spore mother cells are received nutrients or food material from the tapetum. And all spore mother cells are participated in the reduction division or meiosis division to make 4 haploid spores. From each spore mother cell, 4 haploid spores are developed. When the spore mother cells are participated in the reduction or meiosis division, they develop into haploid spores. In the sporangium wall, in some zone, some specialized cells are present called stromium or stomium cells. These are in hygroscopic condition. When the spores, haploid spores are developed from the sporangium or from the spore mother cells, stromium cells are loses their water and they are maintained one way or pore-like structure by losing of water by the stromium or stomium cells. From this area, haploid spores are comes out from the sporangium and the haploid spores are developed into Lycopodium gametophytic thallus. It is a asexual reproduction of Lycopodium.